A submerged pickup
Oh, watch it.
is the catch of the day. "70 miles west of Hope, Mission Towing's Dylan Greenwood
Just trying to figure out what's best access so we don't get ourselves stuck out in the mud.
heads up a mountain road to his next call.
We're going up the Stave Lake mud flats. Got lots of four-wheelers and mud bogging.
Whenever Mission gets a back road job,
Getting stuck out in the mud will suck.
Dylan's dispatched by his boss, Ken DePerry.
Dylan has been doing a lot of off-road towing for us. He always comes back with the vehicles.
But this call
You see a pickup truck floating in a lake,
takes off-road recovery
200 feet off that shoreline.
to the extreme. The driver was 4x4ing on the mud flats when he got stuck.
A lot of people get stuck out there. Keeps us busy, that place.
The lake level rose, trapping the pickup 200 feet offshore.
There's a nearby dam that fluctuates the water level. This guy's got himself caught and sunk his truck.
Dylan will need more than a tow truck to get this job done.
Right in here, I figured. Get in line with it here.
So who's going swimming?
Well, we'll draw that straw when it comes to it.
Mission's newest swamper, Craig Hookey, brought a boat.
Take this all out in the boat with us and we'll go take a look at it.
Dylan and Craig will ferry cable out to the pickup,
Let's go fishing, buddy.
then winch it through the muddy waters back to shore.
How we doing up there, Captain?
Steering the ship here.
It's not an easy job. You never know what you're up against. You can't see what's under the water.
Frickin' gigantic tree right here. That might be a little tricky.
Watch full episodes on the Weather Channel and the Weather Channel TV app.